That's my dog hiding. Come on. Oh. Oh, now she wants to fall. She thinks there might be food involved. Oops. The washer spinning is kind of putting them off a little bit. It's the little dog's area. Heidi's taught him how to pull toilet paper off the roll and spread it all over the bedroom. I'm just putting up these curtains, trying them out so they smell different. Heidi, 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 Heidi. Well, the idea here is to show you that he follows me everywhere, and I think you can see that, right? In fact, he pokes me with that cone. That cone has been bad news. He's jammed it in so many places. Now he's not sure am I coming. There's one of my little dogs. No. I turned around, so now he's going to turn around. You see, he's tossing that cone around. It's knocking it's really kind of sad. Here's what he's done to my wall here. Where is it? No, he's in the way. There. Oh well. Now, I'm going to come back to my desk. Guess what? Guess who's here? Oops. Now, if I turn back to my laptop in a few minutes, he'll just... Where's his phone? He thinks Heidi might have something he wants. She took something out of the toy. Oh, she took a toy out. But she didn't want to give it to him. He wants it. Oh, there's two toys up there, so he's going to take the other one. Oh, he's got the ball. The ball is one of the best toys, actually. Now he's got the ball. Uh-oh. don't have to look under my screen here. Where's he going? He never goes anywhere by himself. Oh, here he is. He's got that ball. That ball is kind of small for him. Bo.